Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is AKMAL and AZAM. I'll present about our business profile. So our company name is Fruity.co. We are located at Bangi, which this is our headquarters for our business. Besides, we have several branches for our business which are located at Puchong, Shah Alam, Cyberjaya, Kuala Lumpur and Johor Bahru. So our main activity for our business is selling fruit drinks. We have 4 products, which are apple juice, guava juice, orange juice, and also watermelon juice. Okay, so we move to the second slide. So this is our organizational chart. We have Mohamad Shukri as our general manager, Muhammad Shafi as sales and marketing manager, Muhammad ZIKRI as a head of accounting department, and AKMAL, Muhammad Johan and Muhammad FIRDAUS as a person working in the accounting department.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain the set of relational tables based on the entity relationship diagram. There are 4 main entities which are branch, customer, salesperson and also product. For the branch, the primary key is branch itself. There are 5 branch for our company, and other attribute is the area of the branch. Next is customer. Is the primary key is customer ID and foreign key is salesperson. The other attribute is customer name, home address and payment method. Next, for salesperson, primary key is salesperson ID, foreign key branch, and other attribute is salesperson name and position. For product, primary key is product name, and the other attribute is cost and price. Next is relationship between entities in the ERD. And the first one is customer to salesperson, and it is a one-to-one relationship, as one customer can buy from one salesperson only. And the other 6 is a one-to-many relationship. All of them is customer to invoice, invoice to product list, product to product list, branch to salesperson, salesperson to invoice, and salesperson to product list. One of the example is branch to salesperson. For each branch, there are many salesperson that act as agent for the branch. Next, we demonstrate design into the dummy data for 2021 and 2020. And we designed for 100 to 1,250 quantity sold for 2020 and 1,250 units sold in 2021. As we can see the slide, there are items in the table that we for the dummy data include invoice number, year, month, date, product, quantity sold, branch, salesman IDs, customer ID, customer age, race, customer name, payment method that is used by the customer, and unit price, unit cost, total sales, total cost, and total profit.
Okay, we continue. So this is our sales trend analysis by month, which we use to monitor, assess, analyze, and identify our sales trend. So if we look at this table above, we can see that the highest sales is on April 2021, which amounted to 684 ringgit Malaysia. So why this is happened? This is happened because we do a special promotion during that time, which is on that April 2021. Here is our sales and profit analysis by branch. As I mentioned before, we have 5 branches, which is Puchong, Shah Alam, Cyberjaya, Kuala Lumpur and Johor Bahru, and also our headquarters, main headquarters which is Bangi. So in this analysis, we have the highest sales at Bangi branch, which total sales amounted to 2,468 ringgit, with a total profit of 1,542 ringgit and 50 cents. This is because Bangi is our headquarters, which are the most known to our customers. Otherwise, we can see that we have the lowest sales at Puchong branch, with a total sales of 1,480 ringgit Malaysia, and the total profit of only 925 ringgit. This is because there are a large of COVID-19 cases in Puchong during that time, so that is why Puchong has the lowest sales at that time. Okay, now we move to the product analysis. So this is our product analysis. It shows that we have 4 products, and it shows that orange juice has the highest demand for our products. At Fruity.co, we can see that amounted to 745 units of orange juice is sold, with a total sales of 2,890 ringgit. So the second on the second ranking for the demand is apple juice, and followed by watermelon juice. Unfortunately, the lowest demand of our product is guava juice, which is only sold of 602 units, with a total sales of 2,408 ringgit. Maybe this is because guava is not everyone's favorite of fruit juice, and the other 3 products is a common juice that everyone likes, and they can drink them every day.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohamad ZIKRI bin AZMAN. I will present the second objective of this project, which is analyzing customer interaction. Okay. We decided to analyze the customer using demographic information, which is gender. From the stack bar chart, we found that the highest products sold to male and female customers are apple juice and orange juice respectively. For the lowest sale product for male customer are watermelon and apple juice for female customer. Then we analyze our customer by using demographic information, which is race. From the cluster bar column, we found that the highest products sold to Malay and Chinese customer are orange juice. The highest product for Indian customer is apple juice. Next, we do customer analysis by product. According to the stock bar chart, we found that the most popular product sold is orange juice. This may be because orange juice is the favorite juice of Malaysian people, while guava juice is the lowest product sold to the customers in Malaysia. Lastly, we analyze customer by using customer preferred method. From the pie chart, we found that 57% of customers like to make payment using a credit card, while the rest 43% of the customer like to pay using online transfer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mohamad Johan bin FIRDAUS. Okay, let's proceed with analyzing staff performance. We extracted a pivot chart from the sales transaction worksheet to determine the sales percent performance by sales by product. There are 13 sales percent that we use to analyze which sales percent has the highest and the lowest for each of the products. Based on this pivot chart, the highest total sales of each sales percent based on the product for apple juice is Miss Anna with RM 400 sales. For guava juice is Mr. Johnny with RM 388 sales. For orange juice, Miss Aminah with 468 ringgit sales. And for watermelon juice is Mr. Johnny with RM 372 sales. Okay, next, let's continue with sales percent performance by sales by branch. From this pivot chart, we group the total sales for each brand based on sales percent to identify the performance of each brand by their worker. Okay, the highest total sales and monthly profit for Fruity Co branch is Bangi, followed by Shah Alam, Cyberjaya, Johor Bahru, Kuala Lumpur, and the lowest is Puchong. We can see that Fruity Co at Bangi, Selangor generates the highest sales and profit because of the low number of competitors in Bangi and has 3 sales % that working inside that branch since it is our headquarters. Okay, next, this is the highlight of the top 3 performers for salesman ranking. As you can see in the sales percent performance by sales by year pivot chart, every sale generated for each sales percent has been recorded. Okay, the highest sales in 2020 is Mr. Johnny with RM 600 sales. In 2021 is Mr. Adi with RM 724 sales. Okay, the second highest sales in 2020 is Miss Anna with RM 592 sales. In 2021 is Mr. Johnny with RM 620 sales. And the third highest sales in 2020 is Mr. Adi with RM 564 sales. And in 2021 is Mr. Markin with RM 544 sales. Okay, for other relevant analysis, we are using the overall performance for the year 2020 and 2021. The highest total amount of quantity sold in the year 2020 and year 2021 are in the months February and April. The highest total sales in the year 2020 is in February, while in the year 2021, April has the highest total sales. The highest total profit in the year 2020 is February, and April has the highest total profit in the year 2021. Okay, next I will discuss the highlight or issues arising from the analysis result for the company's past, current, and future performance. Okay, the first one is decrease in sales due to COVID-19 in 2020. For example, the total sales for May 2021, which only RM 356 compared to the previous year of May 2020, which is RM 452 of total sales. Not just that, we also can see there is a significant decrease of RM 328 in September 2021. From the previous year, which is RM 468. This is caused by most of our employees did not yet complete full vaccination. Okay, the second one is the highlight is the sales begin to grow steady in 2021. The current economic performance, as we can see, the total sales from the previous year rise from RM 5,032 to RM 5,368 for the current year. Okay, the issues is we lack in machines and equipment. We are going to improve it by buying new machines and equipment. We also face with employee shortage. The incentive that we're going to take in handling this issue is by recruiting new employees. Okay, lastly, we lack space to store our products. The way we are going to manage this problem is by expanding our store. Okay, I will pass to ZIKRI.
For the recommendation of the solution, we decided to improve our online shopping because it can help customer to conduct a survey or to purchase our product without visiting our store. Next, we will also purchase more equipment and modern technology to fulfill the need of customer, and in the same time, we can use the modern technology to increase our productivity level monthly. Moreover, our company will employ just-in-time inventory, meaning at warehouse there will only be inventories that are readily available to meet demand and not at the point of success where extra products are stuck. This can help us to save time and storage in our warehouse. Lastly, our human resource also need to plan to reduce employee shortage problem that can cause a disruption or to our productivity level. We will also provide a reasonable salary and offer them promotion opportunities if they stay in our company for a long period of time. The dashboard is a graphical representation of the data of the company. In other words, it organizes and displays the information in the easy ways for anyone to read the information. One of the common ways to is the dashboard will display in one page for the user glance at one time to see the information. The dashboard is also connected to the database as it follows any changes that we make to the main data. That's all from us. Thank you.